What's up, Royals? Welcome to Tonitra's Garden. If you're new here, thank you so much for being here. I'm happy to have you. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today is April 1st, and what better way to kick off the season than to do some planting? We are in my container garden, and we're going to plant up this container garden. I have all my containers here, and I'm just excited to be out in this weather. It is so nice. So we're going to get some things planted. It's like the perfect overcast day for putting in some fresh plants. So we have a couple of containers that we're going to fill. If you are a container gardener, this one is for you. Let's go ahead and I will show you what plants we have to work with for this space. Come on. So here we have my garden table, and I've been loving this thing so much. It has been working so good in my gardening space on my patio. I love it, love it, love it. These are all the plants that I started from seed this year. I've already planted a few things out, but I have to get a lot more of these plants into the soil. So that's what we're gonna do today. All right, let me take a little sip. So here's what we're working with. We've got some marigolds. We have a nice flat of marigolds. Oh, these are French marigolds, so pretty. Bring a nice pop of color. We've got some ground cherries. I'm gonna probably plant 2 of these. Oh, I forgot we have some Cali Wonder Bells. These are bell peppers. We have an eggplant. Definitely going in a container. What else? Here's a nice jalapeno. Back here, we have a flat of vinca. We have a 1 flower blooming. I've never grown vinca before, and I'm so excited to see this first bloom. We're gonna plant her because she's ready for sure. But we'll plant some of these. What else do we have? We've got some tomatoes here. A couple Romas. And we also have some cilantro because we're going to be doing a salsa garden today. So those are all of the plants we have to work with, and let's go ahead and get into it. So just in case you're new and you didn't see the last video, this is just a little overview of the space that we're working with. This is my side yard. So we have this little long space here. That's going to be the salsa garden. And then we're just going to plant up these right along here. OMG, is this not the cutest thing ever? It's gonna fill out so beautifully. All right, so let's move on to our next planters. So we're gonna start up top and work our way down to this bottom area. And this planter, I wanted to do an eggplant. So I'm gonna put an eggplant in here. And I think I'll pop a marigold on the side as well. Or should I do a basil? I might do both. I'll do a basil and a marigold. I'm gonna do some bone meal on this one too. Those roots a little bit loosened up. OMG! I'm gonna have some pretty purple eggplant. Okay. Basil will tuck right up front. I did a little bit of blood meal for this one. And then on this corner, we'll do a marigold. All right, so in these two containers, I really wanted to try doing ground cherries. I think they'll be perfect for the patio. So when the ground cherries fall to the ground, they'll fall on the patio. So we're gonna do 2 of those in the middle, and then we'll do, this is vinca, we'll put 1 vinca like on the edge. So we made it down to these bottom containers, and I was debating on what I should put in here. In this container, I'm gonna go ahead and put an okra plant. I popped this little okra seedling out of the raised bed garden, and I'm just gonna pop it in here. Give it some fertilizer. This was already in here. This is a volunteer pepper plant. We're just gonna pop this okra in here. Let it grow. I think it'll do so good in this container. And these two, I think, will be happy together. So this is a jalapeno. In this container, I'm gonna do some zinnias by seed. So I'll just sprinkle those in this container, cover them up, and those will pop up in no time. So we're gonna go ahead and get these plants watered in. I still have a ton of seedlings, so I'll probably be sharing and planting some more out in this raised bed. But let's go ahead and get them watered in. cilantro. The aroma is intoxicating. So everything is freshly watered in, and this is how we're looking. This is gonna be so filled in. And those are nice and watered. Everything looks so happy. Look at these ones. So pretty. I'm really enjoying this angle of the garden. All right, Royals, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed planting with me. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.